Hello dear viewers, welcome to ERi-TV English News Broadcast. I'm Bersabet Tagle, and these are the major headlines for today. Congress of Nationals held in South Sudan. Commendable student school enrollment reported in Ginda and Orda subzone. South Korea and US conduct a combined military air drill. And an alleged Israeli airstrike near Damascus kills 2 Syrian soldiers. On your local news, Eritrean community in the Republic of South Sudan holds 5th Congress on 18 December in Juba under the theme Independent Choice, Backbone of Our Pride. According to the report presented by Engineer Amara Gabrab, chairman of the Eritrean community, said that the number of members of the community has reached to about 10,000, and out of the about 139 cases submitted to the community related to social issues, 33% have been resolved through subcommittees, about 40% through the community office, and about 14% have been transferred to the office of the embassy. At the event, heads of national associations and community schools presented messages of solidarity and expressed readiness to play due part in the successful implementation of the activities of the community. Commending the progress being registered by the community school in advancing the teaching learning process, Mr. Johannes Tagle Mikael, Eritrean ambassador to South Sudan, called on nationals to strengthen participation in the implementation of the programs for 2023. At the Congress, reports focusing on finance and infrastructure were presented, and the participants conducted extensive discussion. Student school enrollment in Ndeli Elementary School, Ginda Subzone, and Alibania Elementary School, Orda Subzone, reported that is registering commendable results. The number of students in Ndeli Elementary School that has been put in place to provide educational service to 160 families that were displaced in 2000 due to the TPLF aggression is growing from time to time, and that the school has been promoted to junior school in 2022 and 2023 academic year. In the same vein, Mr. Abdul Saleh, director of Alibani Elementary School in Orda Subzone, said that as a result of the necessary infrastructure put in place, the number of student school enrollment is growing. Mr. Abdul also called on parents to take advantage of the opportunity being provided and send their school-age children to school. On your last local news, students and teachers in Goli subzone are conducting harvest collection of disadvantaged citizens and members of the defense forces that are safeguarding the national sovereignty. The participants of the popular campaign indicated that the harvest collection is being conducted alongside their regular education and expressed that they get spiritual satisfaction for being part of the campaign to support disadvantaged families and members of the defense forces that are safeguarding the national sovereignty. Mr. Desteze Mikael, administrator of the subzone, said that about 5,000 people are participating at the Harvest Collection Popular Campaign, and so far 357 families have been beneficiaries. Mr. Dese further noted that similar popular campaign has been carried out at the Gerset Agricultural Project and expressed that the campaign will be ongoing until every harvest of the disadvantaged families is collected. Do stay with us for the international reports after the short break. Welcome back. South Korea and the United States have conducted a combined military air drill today involving U.S. nuclear-capable bombers and advanced stealth jets amid rapidly escalating tensions with North Korea. South Korea's defense ministry said that the drills included U.S. B-52 bombers and F-22 stealth fight jets and took place in the South Air Defense Identification Zone, southwest of its southern island of Jeju, as part of an agreement for the U.S. to protect South Korea from all military threats. The ministry added in a press release that U.S. F-22 jets deployed in the Asian country, first time in 4 years, trained with Seoul's F-35 and F-15 fighter jets, and are to stay throughout the training with the Korean forces. The war game came after North Korea said it conducted an important final phase test for the development of a surveillance satellite on Sunday. North Korea considers the U.S. military drills with South Korea and Japan provocative measures that are designed for invasion. On today's last report, Syrian officials said that air defense systems in Damascus were used in the early hours of today following an alleged Israeli missile attack. According to opposition forces in Syria, 2 soldiers were killed in the attack, which they said targeted Hezbollah facilities in the south of Damascus. Last month, there were 3 alleged Israeli attacks on targets in Damascus, including one in the military airfield near Homs and another on a convoy of oil tankers on the Syria-Iraq border. This is the 32nd alleged Israeli attack in Syria since the start of the year. Last week, the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights reported that Hezbollah has pulled its forces from Damascus and Aleppo, fearing an Israeli attack. According to the London-based organization, the Lebanese group has moved ammunition and weapons to other positions southwest of the Syrian capital. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now recap of today's major headlines. Congress of Nationals held in South Sudan. Commendable student school enrollment reported in Ginda and Aorda subzones. South Korea and U.S. conduct a combined military air drill. And an alleged Israeli airstrike near Damascus kills 2 Syrian soldiers. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.